Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to Guided Meditation Process by Kaanan. I'm here to guide you on your soul's path. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and cross your fingers. Focus on your breath. Take 3 deep breaths into your abdomen. Inhale. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. Exhale from your mouth. Now take 3 deep breaths into your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now imagine your entire body relaxing. Starting with your toes, bring a feeling of relaxation into your feet, calves, and thighs. Then up into your abdomen and lower back, chest, upper back, and shoulders. Next, relax your arms, hands, neck, head, and face. Let the muscles around your jaws and eyes relax. You may notice your breath slowing down and find stillness. Allow your breath flow naturally. Just observe how your body naturally breathes in and out. Be the observer of your breath. Your body already knows what to do. Now say, I am connected to universe and ready to receive love and light from universe. The energy of universe is coming inside me in the form of light from the center of my head. Now I'm sending this light into my cells, to my DNA, and the atoms into my body. I'm completely filled with light. Now, focus on your heart and say, I'm connected to my heart. My heart is completely filled with love and light. I am ready to receive love and light from my heart. Love and light is coming out of my heart and going into every single cell of my body. This love and light is going into my cellular memory. I am completely filled with love and light.
Om Mani Padme Hum.
Whenever you are ready to come out, rub your palms, place it on your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly open your eyes, and now you are in a new world and new energy. Namaste.